Bill McRae here, how you doing? So YouTube works because people watch videos. And YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. Bigger than Yahoo, bigger than Bing, bigger than all of those. It just happens to be owned by Google. So Google dominates everything. Google's also got the biggest email box provider with their Gmail system. So when you think about it, anywhere you go, it's kind of hard to avoid Google. They did that by design, by giving away all this stuff. It's great functionality for free. Now, it costs them, I don't know, billions of dollars, I'm going to say, to host and play those videos. That's the truth. It costs them a ton of money to do that. But why do they do it? They do it because it provides quality content that they can sell advertising through. So people go to search for things to read on google.com. But what people discovered is sometimes it's easier just to watch a video, especially when you're like, well, how do I change my spark plugs in my 2004 Toyota 4Runner? Go to YouTube, type it in, find out how to do it. That's where it's useful. So Google was smart enough to say we can monetize those videos with a different form of AdSense. And essentially when you find a video and you watch it in the first 15 seconds is a video you gotta watch, it's an ad. Sometimes they let you skip it, sometimes they don't. Just depends on what the guy's paying for the ad. And then along comes your content. Now, only providers that can monetize their traffic are going to be able to add that source of income into their YouTube channels. In other words, they attract a lot of people who listen, and the people that listen stay listening for quite a while. So they're able to bring people in and get them to stay on the videos. That way, YouTube has a chance to show an ad here, and an ad in the middle. So they have a chance to make money a couple times throughout that video. That's what YouTube rewards people for. So if you can get your videos to stick and people to watch, and you're not sponsored by somebody or you're not getting paid affiliate commissions, you're expecting to make money off your affiliate, off of AdSense income, they're going to reward you with more traffic. And they will deny that that's what they do, but I doggone guarantee you that's what they do. Okay? So YouTube is always like anything. They're looking out for themselves, but they're also trying to make a great experience for their customers because their customers, they're smart enough to know that their customers are the reason why they're able to sell the advertising. It's not because they're so wonderful and they got a cool looking building in San Jose. No, it's because they provide a fabulous service, and they really do. But at the end of the day, they're trying to make money. So if you produce compelling videos that people watch for 5-6 minutes, doesn't matter what niche it is, you could take part of the AdSense program and make money off your videos just by monetizing the channel through their AdSense program. Now, not everybody's going to be able to do that. You could come in, produce crappy videos and get a click on a link here and there and make some affiliate commissions. That's the worst case. You're never going to make a lot of money. If you could make videos where you're going to generate thousands and hundreds and millions of clicks, wow, you can make a lot of commissions on it, right? So watch the rest of the videos in this area and you'll discover 3 ways to make money with YouTube.